All right, so right now I'm looking at one of my videos and how do I get to the captions section? So I want to go right over here to where it says languages. I then want to click on this pencil right here. Now, when I click on this pencil, you're going to see this screen pop up, and then you see I have the automatic subtitles on this one, but I don't have the manual subtitles. Now, the manual is what I'm going to recommend because those are going to be a lot more accurate than the auto, because sometimes the autos will mess up your primary keyword, and it's not doing it intentionally. But what happens is we all have different ways that we talk, and when we say things, it doesn't pick up as accurate, right? So this is why it's important to go in and make sure that your primary keyword, your brand name, your actual name, all of these things are there, because it's not going to benefit you if the words aren't actually spelled right. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on automatic and I'm going to hit duplicate and edit. All right. So it gives me everything that I said in the video. So all I do to simplify this process is I built another custom GPT. So all I do is literally copy all of this stuff right here. I go over to my YouTube transcript cleaner. I drop my transcript right in here just like this, bam, and then I just hit enter. Now, I've trained this to actually do this in a very good way that really works for me. And typically what it does is it writes it all out and then it tells you all the changes it made. So it went from A/B testing and then it actually put A/B testing 90 day to this 90 day. So you can see the changes that it's making, right? So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all of this right here because I trust my tool, because I built it in a specific way to actually handle this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this and I'm gonna go right over here, erase all of that, and I'm gonna put mines in, and then all I'm gonna do is hit publish. And then now when I go back there, you can see I have the automatic, but then I also have a manual one that is accurate captions. And that is how simple it is to literally get your captions to where YouTube can now understand what your video is about very quickly.